Hello everyone, this is your boy Dio, D-A-Y-O Dio from frunkla.com, F-R-U-N-K-L-A.com. Could you please like this video and subscribe to get us started if this is your first time to be on this channel? When is Tesla massive rally likely to breathe? In this year alone, 2020, Tesla stock is up more than 250%. If you are like other thousands of investors that are wondering why Tesla is rising exponentially for months without a breath, today is your lucky day as we will be diving deep into this insane rally and try to shed light into why the stock is up over 250%. Last week Friday, after the shares of the electric car making giant closed for the first time ever at 1,546 US dollars, beating search giant Google in terms of closing price, CEO Elon Musk zoomed past Warren Buffett on Bloomberg Billionaires Index to become the world's seventh wealthiest person. Tesla shares is up over 20% this month alone after the electric vehicle maker smashed delivery estimates in the second quarter, delivering about 90,650 vehicles. Oh, yesterday on opening on Monday, 13th of July 2020, Tesla stock gapped up to open at 1,659 US dollars, shocking everybody, I included. Shocking both bulls and bears and sending short sellers deeper under the water. Guys, in January 2020, Tesla short sellers used to lose like 1 billion US dollars in a single day. At one point, they lost 1.5 billion US dollars on the 30th of January after its solid earnings. But now, short sellers are deep down over 15 billion US dollars. Last week, Thursday, CNBC reported that Tesla short sellers were down 18 billion US dollars in 2020, including another 4 billion US dollars in July. I believe short sellers are now down over 4 billion US dollars for the month of July at the moment. According to S3 Partners Director here, Dusanevsky, he thinks the reason behind Tesla's short squeeze is obvious and straightforward. Large mark-to-market losses are forcing out some short sellers as they hit their loss limit thresholds. According to him, if Tesla's stock price continues to trend upward, we expect even more short covering as mark-to-market losses accumulate. According to this amazing chart provided by Yahoo Finance, we can easily see that the price of Tesla stock was consolidating between 2013 and 2019 before the massive rally began. In February 2020, ARK Invest CEO Catherine Wood told CNBC that she stands by her latest 5-year price target of 7,000 US dollars per share for Tesla. According to her, her confidence level that this stock is heading for $7,000 over the next 5 years is very, very high. Wood, the founder and CEO of ARK Investment Management, said on Fast Money, "We have arrived at that price by weighing the probabilities of 10 different scenarios, including bankruptcy. To be honest, we have tried to be as fair and balanced as we could possibly be," added Wood, whose firm has about $11 billion in assets under management. The electric vehicle is going to drop below the price of gas-powered vehicle, like for like, within the next 18 months to 2 years, and then will continue to fall, Wood said in an interview on Barron's Market Brief. So it's going to be a no-brainer. Electric cars are going to be cheaper and they are better cars. They are better calls, she added. In March 2020, Tesla shares went down 8% in after-hours trading following the decision to suspend production at Fremont, California plant, when local authority instructed people to stay at home in a bid to stop the spread of the pandemic, the coronavirus. And that announcement was made just as Tesla was ramping up production of its Model Y sport utility vehicle at the factory. It took Tesla CEO over 5 weeks to fight back and force local authority to allow its employees to get back to the factory and continue the Model Y ramping production. Anybody with a Twitter account can literally contact Elon Musk directly. Elon Musk is the only CEO that responds directly to customers using Twitter. This amazing selfless act has helped Elon Musk build a massive, super loyal fan base. Tesla fans have created massive educational content on YouTube and reached out to millions and millions of people using personal blogs, websites, word of mouth, social media, among others, which directly and indirectly is helping Tesla mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. It's close to impossible to find as many loyal superfans elsewhere as you would find in the Tesla community. Just 3 weeks ago, YouTuber solving the money problem bought 1,000 pieces of Tesla shares when it was around 1,000 US dollars. I think this guy has made close to 1.5 million US dollars, almost doubling his money. He made a video about it and titled it All In on Tesla Stock. My 1 million US dollar stock portfolio revealed. Amazing, right? Another popular Tesla fan that has built a business around Tesla is known as Vincent on Twitter, founder of Tasmania. Alright guys, let's take a look at the second quarter 2020 financial results and question and answer webcast. Set to take place on July 22, 2020 around 2:30 p.m. PDT. This is literally the most important date in 2020 for Tesla investors apart from Tesla Battery Day. This is the day that is most likely to continue or break the insane parabolic price rally that has started last year, with no end in sight. According to Tesla.com, Tesla will post its financial results for the second quarter of 2020 after market close on Wednesday, July 22, 2020. At that time, Tesla will issue a brief advisory containing a link to the Q2 2020 update, which will be available on Tesla's investor relations website. Tesla management will hold a live question and answer webcast that day at 2:30 p.m. Pacific time to discuss the company's financial and business results and outlook. As of June 30th, analysts expected Tesla to report a GAAP loss of $1.82 per share and a non-GAAP loss of $1.16 per share according to estimates compiled by FactSet. There is a higher chance of Tesla beating expectations like always, again and again and again, which leads us to the end of this amazing educative blog post. Alright guys, this is it. Now this is my conclusion. When is Tesla massive rally likely to come to an end? Alright guys, let's talk about the Standard & Poor Index. The S&P 500, as we all know, it is a stock market index that tracks the stocks of over 500 large cap US companies. This index represents the stock market performance by reporting the risk and return of these biggest companies. And according to Reuters, on an article they shared on Friday, that when Yahoo was included in the S&P 500 back in 1999, it jumped about 64% in 5 sessions between the announcement and its actual entry. So guys, are we going to see Tesla rising 60% if included in the S&P 500, or have we already seen this 60% rally? What are you guys saying? If Tesla was to pull a Yahoo, the stock could hit 2,200 US dollars and give the company a market value of more than 400 billion US dollars. That is insane rally, guys. That is insane. It's more like double of what we are right now. So this is it, guys. What do you guys think? I mean, if Tesla reports a profitable second quarter on July 22 and successfully is included in the S&P 500, and according to Reuters, if Tesla hits 2,200 US dollars, that means the market value of more than $400 billion belongs to Tesla. This is insane rally, guys. Thanks guys for watching. This is my conclusion. And if you're new on this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. I remain your boy, Dayo Dayo from Frunkla.com, Frunkla.com. See you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.